Hello everyone, my name is Chris McIntosh. I help teach the capstone courses. Today we're talking about any tools or instruments you may use or create for your project. We're working on the project proposal portion of your capstone. Last time we talked about the methods and deliverables for your project objectives. Today we will talk about instruments you may use or create for your project. You should be addressing any feedback on your assignments and pasting updated content in the appropriate sections. Last time we looked at this example that used a survey. We also looked at this example that mentions creating the clinical practice guideline and educational material. The methods for this evaluation objective uses a structured questionnaire. Are you using any tools or instruments as part of your project? Do they already exist, or do you need to create your own? Is there any literature published about existing tools? If you're developing your own, how will you verify it is sound? How are you going to collect data? Will you need to use a tool like REDCap? That's an online survey system similar to Qualtrics. You should also think about how you will analyze any data that you collect. What type of data will each instrument or tool generate? How do you intend to analyze each type of data? If you're using any existing tools or instruments, you need to describe them and cite relevant literature. If you create any questionnaires or other artifacts, describe what it is and provide a rough outline. At least create a placeholder table, figure, or appendix item that represents what you intend to create for your project. For a survey you intend to create, you could create a table that lists potential questions. List what type of data you expect to see from each instrument and how you intend to analyze it. If you're using any instruments like questionnaires or surveys, those will be described in the measures section of your project manuscript. The more writing you can do this semester, the easier next semester will be. As you're writing, you want to make sure you're creating well-formed paragraphs that have a logical flow to them. You can use reverse outlining to check the quality of your paragraphs and the flow and ordering. That's all we'll do in this video. There's more to come.